Hi everyone, so today we are going to do a mindfulness activity that I used to use a lot with my eating disorder patients, and it's designed for those who are feeling stressed in their present, and it allows them to experience mindfulness, but in a different place. It'll make more sense as we go. So for this, take a moment, find a quiet place to sit comfortably, turn the lights down low if you're comfortable with that. And in this guided meditation, we will go back to a place where you felt happy and you felt less stress. So you can just listen to my voice and follow along. So I want you to slowly close your eyes. And I want you to focus on your breathing. Going to breathe in and then breathe out. Take a moment to simply focus on your breath. Now I want you to think of a time where you felt happy and you felt safe and you felt secure and you didn't feel stressed. Think of a time. Think of a place. I want you to bring yourself to that place right now. Put yourself right back where you were when you were feeling that happiness. Think of the people that were there. Take a moment, look around you. What are you seeing? What does it look like? Do you see sunshine? Do you see people? Do you see objects? Take in everything that you can see. Now begin to allow yourself to smell. What scents do you smell? Can you taste anything? If at any time other thoughts begin to disrupt what you're viewing, just let them float away. Stay focused on this place that left you so happy. Now I want you to think of what you're feeling, not just emotions, but physically. Is the sun shining on your face? Do you feel grass? Are you sitting in a chair? What do you physically feel putting yourself in this location? What do you hear? Think of everything you can hear. Take a moment to allow yourself to be fully immersed in this location, letting all of your senses take everything in as if you are there right now. Let yourself feel that happiness. Let yourself feel all that positivity. And with each breath, let all the negativity and stress that you've been feeling float out of your body and take in all of that wonderfulness of your favorite place. When you are ready, slowly begin to open your eyes and let yourself return to the present. But carry all of that happiness and the wonderfulness you experienced. Carry that all with you into the present. Allow yourself to feel relaxed and calm and feel all those wonderful feelings you felt in your favorite place. And know that you can return to that place at any time. Thank you for participating in this mindfulness activity with me. I hope that you're feeling more relaxed and less stress, and that you've carried all those wonderful things from your favorite place or time with you.